This is Jerry Hobby with Anything Internet. Lately, we've been talking about software as a service, or basically applications or programs that you would use that are really web based. Things like QuickBooks Online or even Gmail or Google Docs, any of these kinds of products where you put your documents on some server somewhere out there on the internet. Well, we hope these guys have backups and fault tolerance and all the things to help you recover, but not necessarily. Well, now let's take a look at your own website. You have a website for your company out there somewhere. Do you know who's where? If do you know if there's backups? Do you know if it's recoverable? Do you know you can call that person and say, "Hey, this is wrong. Can you fix it?" A lot of people think the answer is that they can, but they find out that they can't. I've had a few customers over the years that we've had these kinds of problems with, and one in particular I remember had a really elaborate website, and something happened to it. A virus or a hacker got into it, a virus, and wrecked the website. It just was destroyed, and there was no original code to go back to. There was no way to restore it. And so they called me up and they said, "Well, what do we do?" I said, "Well, all we can do is build you a new website." And so whatever money you invested in that website, it's just gone. It's kind of like when your car is totaled, it's just gone. Well, some people spend a lot of money on their websites, and you don't want to have that problem. Running a backup of your website, people don't think about that, but it can be critical. Then you have to think about how about the data in the website? Like, if you have a shopping cart and you're doing transactions all the time, how much data are you willing to lose? Do you have backups of that? Of course, you'll have the emails that come, the confirmation emails and things of that nature. But maybe, just maybe, you need to look at this a little bit, and perhaps there's a procedure, a simple enough procedure, or a low-cost maintenance program you can get with a web hosting company or web design company that'll help you have the assurances you need just in case something goes wrong. And that's something that we'll help you with here at Anything Internet. If you have a website out there and you're not sure if it's backed up, if it's being checked for viruses periodically, how often you should back it up, these are the kind of questions we can help you answer. Even if you're hosting with somebody else, we can help you out. I'm Jerry Hobby with Anything Internet.